Sparky Sparks here. Oh my gosh, I have new hair. This is Charlotte by Envy Hair, and this is just gorgeous. This is Golden Nutmeg, and just look at these colors. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And the best. Oh my gosh, Envy does this. Look at this hairline. Just spectacular. Now I'm really close to the camera, and what I like to remind people is if you're this close to somebody, they're not thinking about your hairline. Keep that in mind, ladies, when you're putting on your wig and you're up there in your grill kind of looking at your hairline. Remember, nobody's really looking at that. This is, again, Charlotte by Envy. This is kind of all the rage. Everybody likes Charlotte, and I love this kind of casual, beachy look. I'm going to take you with me outside because we want to see her in the daylight. So look in there. So let's look at the inside of this cap. So Envy makes beautiful wigs, and this particular wig has a lace front from temple to temple, from about here to here. You can see I'm wearing my combination wig cap, wig grip. This has velvet here, and that's what's the magic. That's what's holding the wig on. So I'm wearing it just at my hairline. Let's look inside again. It's a middle part here, and that's where it's kind of designated. So if you get too far over here, you're going to be in this weft. In the back, there are Velcro ear tabs, and it made a little mark when I had it on earlier, so I've loosened them so that you shouldn't have a mark here. So if you do, it's probably because it's too tight. It's open wefted, stretchy. Let's put her back on. My goodness, this is just a gorgeous piece. Now look how fast this is. Right, when we put her on, at first, you're going to say, Sparky, I'm not a wig girl, look at this, it looks wrong. And it does, because we don't have a forehead yet. So we need to adjust her. So we have 4 fingers, hence the forehead, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the hairline. So that's about right. We can play with her. I would recommend taking a selfie of yourself just to see how other people are seeing you. So this is about 4 fingers, just right in there to where the hair starts. And again, you can look at this hairline, and it's just undetectable. So it's really pretty. I love this look for summer especially. I've been wearing reds lately, but this blonde is saying something to me. Again, this is Golden Nutmeg. And let me turn a little bit here, and you can see her. It's getting bright out here in the sun, but you can see in the bright sunlight all the different coloring in here. And look at how easy this is. If you're a new wig wearer or you've been unhappy with your hair, I recommend wigs. This is a great alternative. You just throw it on and go. So this morning I woke up and I thought, it's sunny out, I'm at the beach. This is my beach look for the day. And I would wear this kind of messy, right? Not organized. You could organize her and put her in a ponytail or a low clip. And I hope that's helpful. If you're new here, please follow, subscribe. That's what that means here in this world. We have to subscribe to be connected. And please share this video and content with friends that you may think are hating their hair and they just want something new or some other choices. It's not just for people who are ill or people who have only lost their hair. If you have a great head of hair and you want something different, this is going to save you time and the damage to your hair and all sorts of stuff. Also, if you're curious about my story, I have it in a book. I wrote a book, yes, woo, for 2025. My book link is here in the captions, and I just hope you'll connect with me, and I hope I can help you get through this journey and experiment with something new. This has brought such joy and zest, really, to my life. I'm excited and see what the future brings. Stay tuned, because I have some new things coming. All right. Have a great day. Mwah. Cheers.